Okay, class, so remember we talked about core structures yesterday? Caleb, what is core structures?
Words that we act out?
Words that you can act out, right? So can you act out a noun?
No.
No. So what are core structures?
Action words.
Action words, verbs are core structures, okay? Some words are verbs that are not action words. So it's really hard to act out certain words, but I'm gonna act out a few words. And we're gonna practice. I'm gonna practice, and you are going to guess, right? So you're gonna have to shrink the screen here in a little bit. Okay, so really quick, you can tell that this word right here, estructura, is structure, right? You can tell. It's a near perfect cognate, you know, cognate. What's a cognate?
The different ways, like how you say words.
More, give me more. Dame más. Quiero más.
I'm forgetting.
Cognate.
It means like it looks the same in Spanish. Than
Right, it looks the same in two different languages, right? Like Spanish and English. However, there's something else that's attached to that. Looks the same or nearly the same. This looks nearly the same as that. What else? Other than it's spelled nearly the same.
It sounds the same.
Not too much sounds, but it does sound a lot the same. It has to mean the same thing. So spelled the same in two different languages, right? Let's do an example here. This is a Spanish word.
Doctor?
Doctor, right? That's a perfect cognate. See? It's spelled the same in two different languages, Spanish and English, and it means the same thing. Animal. Okay? Animal means the same thing in two different languages, spelled perfectly. Let's look at this word. The perfect cognate, right? Words that are spelled either the same or nearly the same, but it has to have the same meaning. So estructura, right, you would recognize that that means structure. But what I want you to know is that as we read this story, and as you learn the core structure, I'm going to be asking you, ¿qué es la estructura principal? Okay? ¿Qué es la estructura principal? ¿Sí? ¿Sí?
Sí.
Sí. So principal would be the core. ¿Sí? Muy bien. Okay. We already went over cómodo. ¿Sí? ¿Qué es cómodo? Cómodo. Oh, no es muy cómodo. Esta silla no es muy cómodo. Cómodo.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Right? This looks pretty much like the same word in English. See? See? ¿Qué es moderna en inglés?
Modern.
Modern. Bonitos or bonitas is the same word in English, right? Una chica bonita, un chico bonito. Except we don't call the chicos bonitos. We probably say guapo for them. But what is bonitos?
Pretty.
Pretty. Pretty. Okay?
Pretty.
Sí. So that nobody comes and say, hey, I could hear you, Senor Tomás, but you know, I couldn't hear Caleb. Cristal.
See, sorry.
May I have a pencil would be an example of what core structure word in Spanish?
What, lápiz? Puede?
One word.
Puede.
Puede?
I don't know.
Puede means what in English?
Can
Can I? This says, may I or can I have a pencil? Okay, is one of our vocabulary words in español. Jameson.
I?
Jameson. Ya, es muy tarde para ti. Jameson. One word for may I have a pencil en español.
Prestas.
Prestas. We just haven't gotten there yet. But I'm asking you, may I have a pencil? Okay. Maggie?
¿Puedo?
Okay, same thing, it's over there. Okay, Mari. May I have a pencil? Yo necesito un lápiz. Yo necesito un lápiz. ¿Puedo tener un lápiz?
Tengo un lápiz.
Yo necesito un lápiz. Yo necesito dinero. Yo necesito mucho dinero. Yo necesito dinero. ¿Tienes dinero?
Sí.
Si tienes dinero, necesito dinero. Shrink it. Necesito ayuda, por favor. Necesito ayuda. Necesito un lápiz, necesito dinero y necesito ayuda. Right? What am I doing?
Asking for help.
What is that word in Spanish? What?
Pide.
Louder.
Pide.
Pide. Pide. Excelente. Pide. Okay. This is an example of pide. Pide. Right? It was a clue. Pide. Okay. All right. These are supporting words to our story that's coming. Right? We should already know this word. We should know this word from our last story. We should know this word, this word, this word. And these three are probably new. Okay? But maybe not. We'll see. Who translated all of these 8 supporting words? Which happens to be, what kind of words are these words? A mesa, a lámpara, what are those?
Furniture. Thing.
Muebles.
Mueble.
Muebles, ¿sí? Son muebles. Okay. Are these core? Son estructuras, Caleb, son estructuras principales?
No.
No, ¿por qué?
They're not verbs.
Muy bien. Muy bien. And what else? They're not verbs.
They can't be acted out.
Excelente. Excelente. Okay. Muy bien. Who translated all 8 words? All 8. You got all 8?
They might not.
You got all 8? All 8? What? ¿Qué?
I said I feel that. She said they might not all be right.
No. Okay. Tienen que estar correcto. Tienen que estar correcto. See? You have, we talked about tengo que, tienes que, tiene que, tenemos que. These are tienes que, tienen que estar correcto. They have to be correct, right? All right. Which one do you know? Give me one that you may know. Give me one that you know.
Mesa.
Mesa. En inglés, por favor.
Table.
Table. Who got table? Okay. Give me one that you know.
Cocina,
Cocina. Okay.
kitchen,
Kitchen. Give me one that you know.
Sala, living room.
Living room. Sí, living room. Chica, give me one that you know.
Lámpara.
Which is in English?
Lamp.
Lamp. Okay? So we have kitchen, living room, lamp, table. Give me one that you know.
Cama. Bed.
Cama.
Bed.
Muy bien. Bed. Give me one that you know.
Sofa.
Oh, fácil. ¿Sí? Fácil. ¿Qué es fácil?
Easy.
Easy. Fácil. Sofá.
Couch.
A couch or sofa. Okay? Do you know either of these two?
No sé.
No? ¿Qué es celular?
Cell phone or phone?
Cell phone. Muy bien. Okay? I know you want to say cellular.
I was just gonna say cell phone. That's
Cell
how
phone.
on my paper.
Okay? And this word right here has more than one meaning. But for this story, okay, we're going to say cuarto is room, as in a bedroom. See? So for the story, it'll be a bedroom. Bedroom, cellular or cell phone, sofa or couch, table, lamp, bed, living room, and kitchen. Kitchen. See? See? We got it. Shrink it as low as possible. Okay. Number 1 through 4. Number 1 through 4. Okay? I am going to act out. You have to write the correct answer. See? You understand? Okay? I'm going to act out. Be a little dramatic here. And then you have to write the correct word. And what I request is that you write a sentence with that word. Okay? And it'll be words you already know. See? 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 Número 1. Lo encontré. Número 2. Número 2. You can give me 2 words out of that one. Or more if you can. Okay? Okay? That was number 3. Now number 4. Gracias. Gracias. Número 1.
Acá buscar.
You have a sentence for me?
Oh, no.
Okay, you got the correct verb. Can you add to it?
Se dio busca para una lámpara.
Okay, muy bien. You don't need the para. You don't need the para. Now, erase the para and what you got.
Yo busca una lámpara.
Okay? Okay, muy bien. Yo busco una lámpara. Okay, número 2.
¿Quiere?
Sí. Quiere.
Señor Temes, ¿quiere agua?
Excelente. Juga quiere agua. Muy bien. Muy bien. No. What you get?
Necesito beber agua.
Okay. Except that's not one of our words for the story, right? But I acted out. I needed to drink water. But the verb that you will have an assessment on is quiere. Muy bien. Quiere. Chicos, tú. Número 3.
Él organiza su cuarto.
Excelente. Sí, perfecto. Okay. Número 4.
Pide ayudarme.
Pide ayuda.
Ayuda.
Sí. Pide
Something like
ayuda. Pide ayuda.
What is ayudarme then?
And that's saying, help me.
Oh.
Right? Help me. Ayúdame. Pide ayuda is he or she asks for help. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to go back to these. What pronoun would be appropriate for 1 through 6? What pronoun?
El.
Él or ella. Él or ella. There's another pronoun.
Ellos.
What?
Ellos.
No. Because then these words would have to change. It'd have to be conjugated, but it would be all the same meaning, right? But they'd have to be conjugated different. It would have to say, ellos viven, right? Ellos organizan, right? What about this one?
Usted.
Formal.
Sí,
I've been saying that.
while I was talking.
Oh, before that, and then I kept saying it over and over.
Okay, okay. So, él vive en Stockdale. Usted vive en Stockdale. Right? Ella organiza su cuarto. Ella decora para la Navidad. ¿Qué es la Navidad?
Christmas.
Sí, Christmas. Sí. Él busca un lápiz. Sí. Sí. Okay. Okay. Ella quiere agua. Ella quiere una hamburguesa. Ella quiere pizza. Right? Él quiere una novia. Una novia. ¿Qué es una novia? ¿No sabes lo que es una novia? ¿Qué es una novia?
No sé.
¿No? Ah. ¿No?
No sé.
¿No? ¿No? ¿Una novia? What's a novia or a novio?
A girlfriend or a boyfriend.
Sí. Ella quiere un novio. ¿Sí? Él quiere una novia. That's how you would use it properly. Right? What's a boyfriend? What's a girlfriend? Okay? I thought that was a Spanish one word, novio and novia. Okay. Right? Él pide agua. ¿Sí? You don't need the para. Él pide agua. Una tienda, H-E-B, es una tienda. Walmart es una tienda. Yo puedo comprar cosas en una tienda. Now translate that into English for me. Yo puedo comprar cosas en una tienda.
I can buy things in a store.
Perfecto. ¿Sí? Yes. Fácil, fácil. ¿Sí? More, más estructuras principales. Okay. Prestas, we had that in our last story. ¿Sí? Prestas,
Borrow.
o,
Or can I borrow?
o, or,
Lend.
sí. Número 2. Pone,
Is it ask?
Maria, was it Maria? Maria, I can't remember the character's name. Pone flores, María pone flores en el cementerio.
Oh, is it puts?
Puts, right? Puts. Okay, very good. Contenta. Yo no tengo mucho dinero. Yo no tengo, pero estoy contento. Content, as opposed to content.
I thought I said content.
What?
She said it confused.
She said, I don't know. It kind of sounds the same, right? Content and content. Okay. Okay. Could you guess this one? Kind of looks like it.
Occupies.
Perfecto. Right? Occupied. Who got occupied? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Anuncia. Anuncia.
Announce or announces?
Announces. Right? Okay. It has to be, or should I say, again, these are él, ella, usted. Okay? It's with that category of pronouns, right? Except this one. Except this one. Let me see. Okay. What pronoun does prestas go with? Louder.
You.
You, which in Spanish is tú. Tú. Okay. Tú prestas. Tú prestas. Él pone, ella pone. Ella está contenta. Ella no está contenta. Ella está muy ocupada. Ella anuncia. Right? She announces, she's preoccupied, she's content, she puts, and you lend or you borrow.
We have 4. 5 minutes.
Estas does not have an accent. If it has an accent, it's a totally different word. Right? As in, ¿cómo estás? Which would be, how are you? Right? But it would have an accent. No accent, it's these. So I want you to write this down. Ready? Yeah. I need this thing. I need this thing. Go ahead and write that down and translate that into Espanol. I need this thing. Mom? Dad?
Do we put thing or what it actually is?
Thing. Clase, how do we say to go in Espanol?
No.
Ir.
Yeah, it is.
I-R. Ir. Necesito ir al baño. Ir. To go. Okay, we got it? I need, write it down. I need to go to the store. I need to go to the store. Okay, number 3. Okay. She wants to go to the store. Okay, and I'm going to give you some words from Spanish 1. This is going to be number 3.
No.
Number 4.
No.
I need to buy things. I need to buy things from Walmart. And those of you at home should be writing all this down. Don't come to school unprepared. Show me your work. Okay, what you got for number 1? Loud and clear.
Yo necesito esta cosa.
Muy bien. Who got that? Yo necesito esta cosa. Esta cosa. Número 2.
Necesito ir a la
Necesito ir a la
tienda.
tienda. Número 3.
Ella quiere ir a la tienda.
Ella quiere ir a la tienda. Número 4. Número 4. Número 4.
Necesito comprar cosas de Walmart.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfecto. Adiós, clase. Necesito comprar cosas en Walmart.